What's up, guys? Gonna be doing a little bit of fishing. There's some good fish in here, smallmouth, so we're gonna see if we can catch something here. If you guys want to know the name of this river, stick around and I'm gonna give you instructions on how to get the name of this river. All right, let's see if we can get something. This crankbait is kind of feels deep. Maybe. Got him. Got him. Nice. Ow. Relax. Relax. Little smallmouth bass. Whew. Feisty little guy. Alright. First one. Now that I know that there's fish in here, I can keep looking for a place where I can get bigger ones. Alright. Go. Alright, got our first one. At least I know that they're biting. And I'm not just out here wasting my time. It's been an hour since I caught the first fish. I'm gonna see if I can get it by that rock over there. Got him. Got him. Sweet. Right by that rock. I called that one. Oh, he's a big one, but ooh, he's a fighter. Ooh, he's a fighter. That's why I love smallmouth, because they love to fight. This is why I love smallmouths. I knew he was gonna be by that rock. See that? I called it. Check that out, guys. This is a decent smallmouth. Oh, she's pretty. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Yep. So typically, guys, smallmouths love being near rocks and rocky areas. Earlier, when we caught the first smallmouth, it was rocky. And then I started fishing areas that were just very muddy. So I feel like I wasn't being successful. But as you can see, there's a lot of rocks around this area. So there is a lot of, that's why I strike them right by that rock. Now with smallmouth, guys, these guys get stressed very easily. So you don't want to squeeze these fish. And smallmouths take a long time to get big or to grow. I try to be very careful with smallmouths and try to be very gentle with them, trying not to stress them too much, because smallmouths are very gentle fish. They're great fighters. You don't want to squeeze them too much, and you don't want to hold them out of the water for too long. Oh, missed them. Got him. Got him. Oh, sweet. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at that. Got him. Oh, sweet. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at that. Sweet. Sweet. All right, guys. We got him. Look at that. Safe to say that they're biting around this area right here, around this rock. And look at that. Yes, I'm so thrilled that I got that on camera. That I just came. Whoa! I'm so thrilled that I got that on camera. That I just came. Whoa! All I did was just come, cast, boom! It got him. And the thing is that I'm running out of time. I only got a minute left on the battery of my camera, so I'm gonna preserve it. All right, little guy, off you go.
All right, fishing team. So you guys want to know where this spot is at, right? I know the bite is tough in Illinois, and any spot where you can catch some fish is good to know about. I've been getting questions about where I'm fishing, so I do want to share this spot with you. All you have to do is send me a message either through Snapchat or Instagram. I'm gonna have a link to my usernames on both the description down below and also in the about in my channel. And also, please make sure to include the number 1 in your message so I can know that you are asking about this specific location. This will keep it fair to the people that are actually watching my videos, so thank you for making it this far. Shout out to my day ones, and if you're a new blood, welcome to the team. Consider subscribing to the channel, because seeing activity on the channel just motivates me to make some more videos, so thank you in advance.
Got him. Got him. Got him. Woo. It's another smallmouth. They are hitting this chatterbait. They are just hitting it. Wow. Awesome, guys. Another one. Check that out. That's number 4. Yeah, awesome. I got him right over there. Yep, fish number 4. Another beautiful looking smallmouth. So we're gonna let him go back to its habitat. Off you go, little guy. Okay. kayaking. This was a bad idea. God, ooh, yes. Got a hit. Yes. Finally, got a hit. Ooh, yes. Nice. Yes. Oh. Yeah. Largemouth. Yeah, no wonder it didn't fight that well. You know, largemouths don't fight as much as smallmouths do. So, but still happy about that catch. Let him go. Where you going? Where you going? See you later. Oh, big ass. Got him. Ooh, got him. Yes. Boy, this one feels good. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Beauty. Ooh. Yes, it was worth it. It was worth the search. And the reason why they're striking here is because of how rocky it is. It is very rocky here. Alright, so now that is a beautiful, beautiful smallmouth. Alright, this was worth the fight. This was worth the search. And guys, look at how rocky this looks. It tells me that there is lots of good fish here. So this is a good one. My last cast. Ooh, I got one while my back was turned around. Sweet. Yes. Oh, and it's the best one of the day. Walking backwards. Oh, right. I do not want to miss this one, so I'm going to walk him back. Because I was going back. Boom, I cast it one more time. Yep. Beautiful. Alright, so basically I just cast it and I thought to myself, alright, last cast, time to go home. And I started traveling back and bam, I got the hit. Look, beautiful. Just in time because my battery is running out. Look at where I got him. Wow. And until next time. Our best fish was our very last cast. Incredible. Adios, amigos.